kushikiliwa.
Jatend migao mar arita kwe Kipchumba Murkomen otelo ne romo kod jotend arita kwe e gwenge ma Omar Okak e apise ma County Commissioner e County ma Samburu motelo ne tayo romo mar nyayo kwe kod jodak ma Samburu e kar romo ma Alamano e boma ma Maralal e County onogo ma Samburu. Koloso kod ute fwambo oko mar apise ma gavana ma Samburu, Murkomen nowacho ni migao mare oseketo piny okenge makare mabiro gayo kako obila biro rakore kod jomaundu madonjore e ng'anyo kata kod jomaundu masiko monjo gwenge mopogore opogore e pacho ka. Murkomen oten gi jagoro mongirore migao mar arita Dr. Raymond Omolo, ogai mar obila Douglas Kanja e kind jotelo mamoko mag arita.
We make it very clear from the Office of the Cabinet Secretary on behalf of the Government of Kenya and the Executive and pass on to constitutional provisions on how the police officers can manage use of firearm and use of force when carrying out their responsibilities, whether dealing with bandits here or dealing with criminals in urban areas or dealing with goons. The good news is today, this morning, I have dispatched the policy to the IG, and it will be shared to the public. We have lost lives. This is an area that also we have a serious challenge of highway robbery, particularly the road between here in Maralal up to Baragoi. And it is a challenge because of the situation within the roads where criminals have ambushed public service vehicles, police vehicles, vehicles carrying prisoners, and that has persisted for some time. The good news is that the government of Kenya is going to tarmac the road from Maralal to Baragoi. I think that if we were able to really manage is these sellers of ammunition, because sometimes the people can have guns, but if you can stop the supply of bullets, it may help us to stem this problem. And so the security team is working on something that will target the supply chain for the ammunition so that we can be able to